Hi, in this lesson we're going to talk about another system command. It's hostname command. CentOS 8 is our hostname. If we go to activities and type in settings, go into our device name, it will show us the same result. Device name means our hostname. So hostname command shows hostname of a system. So let's go to a man page of hostname command. Hostname shows sets the system hostname. There's another information about hostname. We can go all through these later. Let's press Q button. Let's type hostname dash dash help. As you see, there are some program options in here. In the left line is similar to right ones. Means if we type dash A and dash dash alias, it will show us the same result at the end. For example, if we type hostname I or hostname dash dash IP dash address, it will show us the same result. So let's check it. Hostname dash I and hostname dash dash IP dash address. As you see, both of these commands show us the same result, IP address of our system. So let's go back to hostname dash help or dash dash help. So you can practice with all the similar options by typing in with hostname command. In here, as you see, there is hostname uppercase I and dash dash all dash IP dash addresses. So this command shows all of IP addresses in your system. So let's check it. Hostname dash uppercase I and hostname dash dash all dash IP dash addresses. So this one and this one are the same results. So we have two IP addresses in our system. If we type ifconfig command, we'll see those two IP addresses in a white content. The first one IP address belongs to our ENS160 network card, and another one belongs to VIRBR network card. And here VIRBR means virtual bridge, which I did bridge connection with my physical and virtual machines to access internet from single IP pool. We'll talk a lot about it in our network lessons. So there's another command, hostname ctl, which it shows all information about the system comprehensively. So we have static name, hostname CentOS 8, icon name, chassis, machine ID, boot ID, virtualization, VMware, operating system CentOS Linux 8, and we have kernel, version, and so on. So it's end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.